run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chain. breaking free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind